One of the early adopters of Footscan, the pivotal point of my clinical practice. It changed everything for me.
I would say there is no other company that provides you the support.
I really genuinely think that they make a huge contribution to the podiatric community in this country.
Close to 10 years now, just getting into this community because it is a community. I didn't know a lot of these people before being involved in Gait and Motion, but I know them now. So it really is a community, and it's one that I'm really happy to be involved with.
I've been working with Gait and Motion for 7 years, and the experience has been fantastic. You really feel like Gait and Motion are invested in helping you be successful, which is what I really like about this company.
I use Footscan, I use Phits, and I've got the easy angle. It's like my right hand. I use it every single day. Every single patient that I see, I put on Footscan. When we're treating our patients, the more knowledge we can get, the better your treatment's going to be. And the equipment that you get from Gait and Motion does all that.
Gait and Motion have really transformed our biomechanics provisions in our clinics. Footscan we use with every biomechanic patient. I like to say it almost takes the guesswork out of eyeballing a patient's foot. I'm involved in a lot of golf provision, and George and the boys have always really supported me coming to events, DP World Tour events with myself, which I just don't think you get with every company in the world.
It's so easy to use. You know, the software is constantly being updated. We use Footscan every day. It's something that we will routinely use with patients, whether they've got a biomechanical issue or not. Certainly for new patients, for patients with diabetes, there's a lot of data that we can glean from that. See it in action and see how useful it can be in clinical assessments, and yes, it will make you money as well.
I would say just come, because firstly you're networking with a whole load of people that are in your field, in your industry. You're going to learn loads. You'll probably see things that you might not see anywhere else. Definitely worth it.
If you're apprehensive about investing in technology, as a podiatrist myself, I thoroughly would recommend Gait and Motion. You won't get better support.
I would encourage anybody who's not using Footscan at the moment to go and find a clinic that is. The community are fantastic people, and they're all more than happy to share ideas and to show off what they're doing. Sky's the limit, really.